So we're back. I wired up the battery to the white and the red wires, and I'm going to test the motor if it spins right. I may short out the battery, so don't be scared if it explodes or something. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's about right. So I can wire it up to the switch now, hopefully, and it won't burn. Uh, what can I do if it indeed wants to burn? Mm, let me just check for shorts, if indeed it won't short out. You never know, this switch may be defective, so let's see. Hey, turn on. Okay, so this should ring, I think, the motor, correct? Yes. But the switch shouldn't. These two outer contacts, pairs of contact, they don't. But if I push up, hey, yes, and if I push down, come on, where's my third hand? Perfect. So, what should I test? If I press down these two contact. Oh yes! Wait, what? If I press down, this connects to that. But through the motor, okay. Through the motor, hopefully. Hopefully. Okay. That may be the explanation. So, will there be a fire? I don't know, but I'm going to have scissors ready so I can disconnect the battery quickly. Okay, this may be a bad idea, but I'm going to do it. Maybe I'll solder just one wire and I connect the other one by hand, and if it makes a spark, I just remove it. Okay, sounds like a plan. So let's solder it in there. Maybe check again for shorts. Does it make sense to check again? I'm afraid. Oh, it seems okay. So, let's see. Here's the battery, and I connect the red. Okay. Yeah. I have to change the polarities. This is not good. This should be forward, I mean clockwise, and the other one anti-clockwise. So I have to switch the red with the white. Okay, good to know. So let's do that. Like that. Cut it to length. Ah, I leave it. No problem. That's not a problem. There's space for the wires. Yes. Now it's okay. Like that. Some solder. And I must not short it out. How do I do that? Ah, I did it. Yes. Success. And I didn't kill the battery. Oh boy. So now I have to place it inside. But first put something here, like a piece of cardboard from a underwear. Let's put it here as insulation. Just the head. So the wires will go anywhere, and the battery will go like this. Like this. Yes. So this naked guy has to go over here, like that. Okay, like that. And all the wires can go to hell. Anywhere, like that. Okay. So until I connect the charger, this will be just fine. For the charger, I still have to make a hole right here, so it will be inside, like that, with the two ports sticking out, and that will be complete. But for now, let me just put on the other half, if I can find it. Oh yes, under my nose. Typical. Yes, I just put it on, and haha, it feels like a screwdriver. Perfect. So I can put in one of these bits and screw in some screws. How long the battery will last, who cares? I got a bunch more, so if it burns out, I have some more cells here from cheap battery banks. So that's it. I'll have to connect the charger, and this is a success. Of course, with only one battery, this drill won't be so powerful, as the original with 4 batteries. For nickel metal hydride batteries, just one of these old batteries will be less powerful, but for general screwing and maybe some drilling, it's fine if you know what you're doing. So, long story short, such a screwdriver costs about 10 bucks new, maybe 12 bucks, and I fixed it for 2 bucks. That's how much a battery bank costs usually. So I hope you learned something, etc.